Good morning. Yes, yes. Superman बन लूं क्या? Cutie.
बड़ा हो गया मम्मा।
हाँ।
Cuties.
हाथ तो देखो कितने चल रहे हैं।
आज सुबह कौन ले रहा था शेक बनाओ?
एक छोटा है, उसको कितना
बताना।
देख रहे हैं।
मम्मी पता है आज सुबह ये ना पता है मेरे को लग रहा है ये रणवीर को कॉपी करने लग गया, उसकी तरह जान पूछ के अंगड़ाई लेता है।
चल।
उसका ही मन करता है अपनी बचपन जीने का है?
नहीं, इसको होता पूरा मैं कॉपी कर सब बोले कि मेरा ही बेटा है, मेरे भी
बस तू रहने दे।
नहीं वो इस पे ही गया भाई, इस पे ही गया। अच्छा, और क्या कहते हैं, देख सारे देखते थे छोटे जेनू है खड़े होके।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bani and today it's a vlog again, okay? So today we are planning to go to the mall and do my shopping. So it's basically my day. My shopping day, and I will be doing a lot of shopping. I mean, that's what I think, but obviously I won't do anything extra. I don't know. And today is the day when I will be having my chole bhature or maybe chowmin. I don't know what will be the craving till the time I'll order. So this is what I'll be doing today. So I'll be taking you along with me. It'll be like a shopping vlog. And my baby is about to get ready, and then I will make you meet her. But before that, let me show you his face. He's staring at me. Let's goomy time! Goomy time! Guys, the cuties! Cuties are the cuties! I'm planning to go to Sephora. I'm planning to go to Urban Planet. I'm planning to go to College Spring. I'm planning to go to NYX. I'm planning to go to Zara, H&M. So I'm planning to go everywhere, but then we'll have to see if I can go or not because of the little one, though we have kept his milk with us. मैं बातें करूँ या तुमने करनी बातें? कौन करेगा बातें? बारिश हो रू बार। एक तो we'll see that if he can let me shop or not. Secondly, I don't know if I'll be able to vlog inside the shop or not. Reason being obviously because of the restriction and stuff. So that's one thing. Secondly, but you will definitely see a haul. And I don't know if the haul will be in this video or should I do a separate video for the haul. I don't know. Butchi. Guys, did you see that video where I have made aloo puri? I mean, we had completed 40 days with the baby. That video is already up on the channel, by the way. Oh, cuties! 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 I have a little cutie in here. What? Yes! Say hi! Baby, tell them that you're going goomy. Yes. You कैसे expressions दे रहे हो तो? Yes, that's you. Yes. Papa is also here. Hello, Dadas. Do you want to say something?
No.
Hello.
So we are going for Baanipreet shopping.
Baanipreet Kaur Hanspal shopping. पूरा नाम बोल दो.
Bani shopping, and let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes with the dada and his pocket.
Yeah.
What is the budget like?
Anything that you want, that's okay.
Oh my god, that's for the video.
You have given me a beautiful child, so that's why there's no budget capping.
Oh my god. तेरे वजह से मेरे को मिल रहा है शॉपिंग.
वैसे नहीं लगे देता मैं.
वैसे भी लेके देता है. But let me just tell you, I've already got my gift, like the present from the husband because of the baby. I've got a new phone, and today is the second day that I will be enjoying after my delivery. Second day, nahi, day to first that I'll be enjoying my delivery, but second, khushi of me spending money. Yeah, I don't know how you guys would judge me now, but I don't care also. Alright, then I will see you at the mall. Okay, bye.
You want to say this?
Hating the mass situation.
For shopping?
Yeah, let's go to the second outlet now. You'll have to try this. This is green tea matcha with 7 pumps of raspberry and whipped cream. It's the best. Try it. Lot of stuff. Like in H&M, we don't have bags, we don't have shoes, we don't have accessories, we don't have beauty stuff, just because these guys are expanding. Also, look at my baby who's expanding a lot every day. Hi cutie, hi cutie, hi cutie. Hello, Chuddy. Hi, Chuddy, buddy. Testers are not there, so we don't have testers, and then there are some of the products that we don't have. I mean, these guys don't have. So I've got something that you guys would see it in the hall. Also, Zara is shut here because of the COVID, so the shopping had to get limited. But then I did shop a lot, so that you'll see it in the hall. Okay, so I will do a haul and I will show you soon. I think we'll get going from here because I think we are done from the mall. It's been like good 2 to 3 hours or more. Now I want to eat something.
Okay.
Yeah. So should we directly go to that place?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Two chole bhature spicy and one noodles, veg noodles, extra veggies and spicy. Yes.
Veggie spicy मत करो ना. Hello.
So guys, we have come to pick up the food, and this is my choti. सपने देख रू मेरे क्यूटू. हाँ जी, कब तक आ रहे हैं छोले भटूरे?
He said 2 minutes.
तो मैं खड़े हुए 5 मिनट हो चुके हैं, तुम जा सकते हो.
When Indian people say 2 minutes, that means in minutes.
ओह, अब तुझे सब बोलेंगे कमेंट्स में. तुम इंडियन होकर इंडियंस के बारे में ऐसा बोलते हो?
When people say 2 minutes, that means 10 minutes. So
तुम जैसे पीपल, जिंदगी में तुम जैसे पीपल नहीं होते सारे.
I can say 80%.
80% is you, 20% is me. Oh my god. कितनी अच्छी हवा चल रही. Beautiful, beautiful हवा.
तुम्हारे बच्चे को ले लो, हैं? It's all black coming. Yeah.
मैं खाऊंगी छोले भटूरे कितने टाइम बाद.
चाउमीन भी ऑर्डर करो किसी ने?
चाउमीन भी करी मैंने ऑर्डर, पर मैं शेयर करूंगी, सब मैं नहीं खाने वाली. Just saying.
सिंग दिख रहा है इसके सिर पे?
दिखते ही रहते हैं लोगों को. लोग बोलते हैं सिंह के साथ परमानेंट है ये इंसान.
रो देखो जी, मेरा बेचारा शरीफ बच्चा सो रो.
पिक्चर मुंह करके सो रो. मेरे लिए क्या ऑर्डर किया? मेरे लिए तो तुमने कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं किया. अपने लिए छोले भटूरे, अपने लिए चाउमीन, मेरे को भी खाना था कुछ। कहते मेरे लिए तुम कर देते बटर पाव, मैं वैसे ही बटर पाव बन चुका हूँ खा खा के, तो मैं बटर पाव खा लेता हूँ।
यार मैं समोसे लेके आऊँ, वेट।
किसी को याद आया समोसे भी खाते हैं हम, तो उन्होंने कर जा रहे हैं भाग रहे समोसे खाने, तो समोसे भी आ रहे हैं। अब मैं घर पे मिलती हूँ खाना खाने वक्त। ओके ओके बाय। दिखाना, मैं खुशबू तो सूंघ लूं, मैंने इतने टाइम से खुशबू भी नहीं सूंघी। दे
तुम खुशबू खुशबू सब सूंघ लेना।
दे ना मुझे लिफाफा। दे
you have tomorrow चूंगा and that's what I'm like।
दे देना तनवीर, तनवीर एक बार इधर अंदर आ, दे मेरे को लिफाफा दे।
मैंने चूंगा मारने अभी नहीं देना।
नहीं मारूंगी पक्का।
नहीं कोई बात नहीं, खुशबू देखो आ रही गाड़ी में
यार तनवीर।
छोले भटूरे वहीं से लो, बैठे बैठे।
समोसा दो फिर मुझे।
कोई नहीं मिलेगा अभी।
तनवीर क्या प्रॉब्लम है अगर मैं एक समोसा गाड़ी में खा लूंगी? नहीं
खाना गाड़ी में।
कितने समोसे करें ऑर्डर? 2 2 तो तू ऐसे सांस लेते हुए खा जाएगा, स्वॉलो कर जाता है। ये देखो मेरे को समोसा दिया नहीं है मेरे पति ने, और ये छोटे से ऊपर से काट कर खुद खा लिया। क्या कहना है?
कुछ नहीं, I was just checking the size and you know the samosa, but then I could not resist. It's samosa.
और मैं जो मांग रही थी,
You are बुक्कड़।
ये देखो, this is the izzat that I'm getting.
Sneak peek।
तो दिखाओ ना।
भटूरे। This is chole। I have to take out the second one। We ordered extra spicy, so that is the reason it is like you will see a lot of chilies on the top।
आलू भी डाला जाओ।
Yeah। Didn't you? Somebody else is also eating। And the hakka noodle with extra spicy and extra vegetables। और की मैं खजाना कटी जाए अंदर।
प्याज दही और प्रसाद अब इसमें इसमें डाल दिया। I'm feeling a bit cold, so that's why the jacket is on. आलू होता है छोलों में, वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, पर तनवीर को नहीं पसंद। तो मुझे तुम लोग बताओ, तुम लोगों को पसंद है कि नहीं, मतलब किस किस को पसंद है। So guys, I'm done eating food. I will see you next time with less of mirchi and much more videos. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay then, bye. And my haul is coming very soon, okay? Okay, bye.